Now let's talk about the beginner common mistake. So the first mistake is spaces in file names, right? Let me do the ls. I have created a command file over here, my important file. If you notice, like I have spaces in my file, like after the my, there's a space and then important. Then there is a space. So in that case, you need to, if you try to access this file, my important report.txt, this is not going to work because no such file is available. The file is available is with spaces, and you need to enclose this either in double quotes or single quotes. There is no content inside of it, that's why it's not showing the content, but just want to show you, you either use the single quote or the double quote to make it accessible, right? The second mistake is rm is forever. Whenever you are going to use rm, remove file, remove directory, that is forever. There is no undo, no second chance, no recycle bin. So gone forever. There are some strategies which we will discuss later, but whenever you use with cautiously, okay, especially -r-f, okay. Case insensitivity shook, like there's the confusion mistake, like in Windows we have case sensitive insensitive directories, or in Linux we have case sensitive, like this one, desktop with lowercase, desktop with capital D is distinguishable in Linux but not in Windows. When man pages are overwhelmed, so we have learned about the strategies, how you can use the man pages, but try to learn more about the man pages. Just practice how you can find information inside the man page, how you can extract the useful information. I showed that. You can learn from my last information I provided, the man page. And for getting the sudo command, like if I'm going to write something or doing something, creating inside a directory, like we created bar html, like let me show you ls, the var folder, then we created dev. So in this you can see there is a html folder. So if anything I need to create inside the var directory, I need to use the sudo command. Or you are going to start any service like nginx systemctl restart nginx. Okay, so this is how you have to use the sudo command. If you are not going to use it, you don't have that level of privilege, then obviously they will show you error, or you will be working as a root user. If you are working as a root user, then definitely you don't need to use the sudo. Okay, but using the root is most dangerous one.